You are all welcome to this channel. On this video, we are going to look at why Apple products are designed in California and assembled in China. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button for more videos like this. Look at the back of your iPhone or your iPad, or on the bottom of your Mac. You'll see the following words embossed somewhere. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Many people wonder why Apple has chosen to outsource all of its production overseas, specifically to China. Many believe Apple are just out to make tons of money and that's the sole reason for the relocation. But it's not the truth. After tons of research, the reason behind Apple designing its products in the US but assembles it in China is quite simple. There is simply not enough manpower to support the manufacturing of Apple's products in the US. The factory in China where Apple products, specifically iPhones, undergo final assembly has approximately 230,000 workers. In the US, there are only 83 cities that have the same population as this factory's number of employees, meaning the number of possible workers in the US is not enough to cover Apple's needs. In China, an estimated quarter of their workforce lives in company-owned dormitories. These barracks are located on factory property. Many people are living and working at the factory. Such jobs are in high demand in China, and they can hire many people overnight. These examples prove that the measure, speed, and efficiency of Chinese manufacturing surpass anything the US is presently capable of. So Apple is forced to do this overseas because it's the only way to meet up with the demand of its products, especially the iPhone. If you found this video informative, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you all for watching.